With all that's gone on in the world since 2020, it's fair to say that companies are taking a very different view of risk and risk management, particularly around supply chain. Long distance, at times over-lean supply chains that have been reliant on low-cost geographies, maybe Eastern Europe, more likely Asia, are now being questioned. People are looking at total cost of acquisition, especially with the increases in freight costs and indeed availability of freight.
A key problem that we're seeing right now is disruptions are happening everywhere at the same time in a very correlated way, combined with surging demand. This is not something supply chains were designed to withstand because, frankly, this kind of large-scale event seemed very unlikely.
When you look at what the UK has to offer in terms of our ability to produce economically using lean processes, adopting automation, there's absolutely no reason why UK manufacturers can't be competitive globally. It's not just a question of cost either. Companies are willing to pay more for something if the supply chain is lean, it's agile, and more important, it's resilient. From a UK perspective, there's a massive opportunity, but to seize the opportunity, we do require investment. Investment in people, investment in process, investment in automation.
It'll take time and investment, but the combination of these things means that customers will see increased product availability once again in the near future.
If we make the right choices now, then the UK manufacturing sector has reason to be very optimistic for the future.